This wild berry bush isn't doing too well. We keep watering it, but the water keeps washing away and the plant is not getting all the water. So we dug a hole, putting a little pipe over there. So we're gonna feed the pipe with the water. And now the water is not washing off, running off like that. The water is going straight down into the roots. We're gonna fill this with a little bit of gravel, so the roots will get all the water. And we hand trenches so we don't damage the roots. I think that's cool. See, when you water it, the water just sits on the top, doesn't really concentrate. But you pour it down in this hole, and that just goes straight down to the roots. We bought these ferns and we applied the same methods to it. So on the base of the fern, the roots are deeper than this is. This is 6 inches higher than the roots. So when I pour the water and it soaks into the ground, the fern will get the roots. Now I did 2 methods. One, side by side, we're going downhill this way. That's why this one is on the top of the hill. I did that one side by side just to experiment, have a little fun with it. So this was one plant split into 4. All right, guys. In this clip, I'm going to be showing the results of what happens when you try to grow seeds from Walmart peppers. The results are comical. Anyway, here we go. So I have in front of me a dime, nickel, and a quarter. And you can see that you could literally take one of the peppers and put it on top of the dime. And you can barely see the dime, but that's how small they are. I think this is the biggest one. Yep, that's the biggest one. Comparison to my hand, this is supposed to be bell peppers. It sits on a quarter, and you can still see the quarter all the way around. Don't buy Walmart peppers and try to grow seeds from them and try to grow from the seeds. That's just not going to work out. You can see that this is all my entire 2025 peppers and tomatoes harvest. That's it. It's getting harder physically, so cut back. And the little bit we try to do didn't work out. Thanks for watching. Peace.